I was tasked to write the season 2 premiere of the hit Japanese cartoon Death Note. Hello, my name is Scout and I'm a professional Hollywood screenwriter. Now, I don't get big opportunities like this very often, and I really did not want to mess it up. But the studio still had a couple notes. See if you can spot the differences. Interior, church, sanctuary, day, sad piano music, maybe Believe by Cher. An open casket sits atop the altar. Inside, a woman in her who cares. The reverend starts speaking and saying something, but near the back of the sanctuary sits a super genius, Light Yagami. We get a glimpse of what Light Yagami is thinking. Ah, yes, things are going great. I actually look pretty good today. I wonder if anybody's noticed. Maybe not. They're consumed by grief. I can't blame them. They're not as good at splitting between logic and emotion as I am. God, I love the way my brain works. I sure love being me. I wouldn't want to be them. Because if I was them, then I wouldn't be me. Suddenly, a light grumble in Light's stomach. Pressure seems to build. Is that a fart? No, this is not good. Okay, just relax, Light. Let's think. Based on the minimal gas buildup inside me, there's a good chance I could sneak a quiet one out. Maybe glare at one of my beta family members. But if there's a noise, the Reverend right now is speaking at approximately 80 decibels, not quite as loud as I could be. That's a problem. Light's gut hits him again. Another wave. He flinches. This is definitely gonna make noise. Unless I spread my cheeks on the bench, allowing more air to pass through and prevent friction. But, hold on. There's currently 82 people here, all family and friends. Given the power of my gas, at this rate, not only would they notice the smell, they'd probably know it was mine, too. I can tell this is going to be a unique scent. A fingerprint. Light looks around and sees the windows are closed. Damn it! All the windows have been hermetically sealed. What the hell is going on? It's okay, Light. Stay focused. It may take time to make an exit. Now, clench your cheeks to keep the package secure. Light clenches and stands up. He sneaks slowly past his family and friends in the row. This just doesn't add up. I would never fart like this at a funeral. I have an image to maintain, otherwise people will know that I am Kira. Light reaches the entrance. Light attempts to turn the handle and it doesn't budge. What? Locked? How? No, this doesn't make any sense. Why would the door be locked? This can't be it. Everything I've done, everything I've worked for, gone in a flash like cotton candy dissolving in a lake. They will know I am Kira. The gas builds again, and Light keels over ever so slight. Out loud, he groans. Back to his inner thoughts. No one will ever look me in the eyes again. I don't understand. I didn't do anything. Light looks and sees someone in the pulpit. The super genius, his arch rival. You guessed it, Young Sheldon, watching his every move. Damn it! What the hell is Young Sheldon here, and why is he staring at me? Wait. A revelation. The pieces all start coming together. You knew the whole time and you didn't say anything. Flashback. Light is eating buttered chicken in an Indian takeout restaurant in the distance. Light looks up from his buttered chicken. From the distance, a soccer caravan is parked on the road. In the backseat, window rolled down, Young Sheldon stares out. You knew I couldn't resist. I wolfed down while you pretended to do your little experiments in the back of the minivan. Is that why the funeral is here? You picked the one church that is right beside Al-Mutazam Bala Muhammad Amin Abd Al-Hamid Al-Said Amin Raga Butter Chicken and Falafel House? But guess what, Young Sheldon? I know your secret. I know who you really are. And I'm not dying that easily. Light makes a big show of inhaling before he absolutely belts at the top of his lungs. Everybody listen up! The Reverend stops speaking, shocked. Everybody turns to look at Light. It was Young Sheldon. It was you all along, Sheldon. Young Sheldon. I knew you were watching me eat an extra spicy double butter chicken combo pack, and now I know why. You knew I'd release my gas right here, right now, but why me? Who cares if I fart? But then it dawned on me. The doors are locked. The windows are welded shut. It's so everyone smells it. It's so we all suffocate. and we'll all suffer. That lady in the coffin isn't the only dead person here. That's going to be all of us. You know my gas is special because I am Kira. I am the god of the new world. That I can do things no other person is capable of. Light twinges again, another push of gas. It's my gift. My curse, the biggest gut punch yet as the fart attacks. No, it's here. God, forgive me. Ryuk, where are you? Cut to Ryuk, and he's eating an apple or some shit somewhere else. Cut back to the church. Light flings his body up to the sky, his arms wide, accepting his fate, his martyrdom. I'm sorry! A beat. A tiny little toot. Nobody would have even heard. Nobody would have even known. He looks around. Everybody is just stunned. Light stares at the ground, trembling. Somebody walks in from the other side of that big door and sits down like nothing. It was a push, not a pull. I did everything right. But I was wrong. And now you know I'm Kira. I can't be wrong. I couldn't possibly be wrong. Young Sheldon pipes in. Well, what if you are wrong? Reluctant, Light nods. Yeah, maybe I am. Light casually strolls out the door. You would think he'd be arrested, but this is the premiere and we need a whole season to happen.